Hi, this is Smita, an executive coach and a personal empowerment life coach. And today, I'm going to share with you the 6 essential steps to take to get the promotion you deserve. Were you expecting a promotion at work only to find your name missing from that promotion list? This is not fair. I know. We know. And that is exactly why you should ask for a promotion. It is never obvious. In today's competitive job market, waiting passively for that promotion is not an option. You must take charge of your career trajectory. There's no certainty that you will get a promotion when you ask. But unless you show interest in a promotion, everyone might think you are simply not interested. And the chances of your getting it are slightly more than zero. So, if you want a promotion, don't hesitate to seize the moment. After all, you wouldn't want to miss out on a well-deserved promotion to a colleague simply because they asked for it and you didn't. Now, asking for a promotion is a very, very important point, crucial enough for me to call it out separately. Now that you know you have to ask for your promotion, how do you go about it? Here, I'm going to share the 6 essential steps you need to get that promotion you deserve. First, lay the groundwork. The foundation for a successful promotion request lies in your ability to showcase your valuable contribution to the organization. Start by meticulously documenting your achievements, quantifiable results, and the impact you have made in your current role. Compile a portfolio highlighting your problem-solving skills, ability to exceed targets, and willingness to go that extra mile. It's important to remember that your employer is interested in the value you bring to the table. Emphasize how your skills, expertise, and dedication benefited the company's bottom line and enhanced its overall performance. By clearly demonstrating your worth, you will build a strong case for why you deserve to be recognized with a promotion. Second, quantify your accomplishments. Numbers speak louder than words. When making your case for that promotion, be armed with tangible evidence of your achievements. Quantify your successes wherever possible, such as the percentage increase in sales you generated, the cost savings you implemented, or the number of projects you completed ahead of schedule. Avoid relying solely on subjective praise or anecdotal feedback. Incorporate hard data, metrics, and measurable outcomes to demonstrate your value to your organization. Third, cultivate a network of allies. Building a strong network of mentors and sponsors can significantly enhance your chances of getting that promotion. Mentors can offer valuable insights, share their own experiences, and help you navigate the challenges you may face. Sponsors, on the other hand, can actively advocate for your advancement and leverage their influence to champion your cause within the organization. Seek out seasoned professionals within and outside your organization who can provide invaluable guidance and support you throughout the promotion process. Cultivate these relationships by regularly seeking their advice, requesting feedback, and inviting them to provide recommendations during your promotion process. Their endorsement can carry significant weight with your manager and help overcome any unconscious biases hindering your advancement. This approach not only showcases your capabilities but also makes it harder for your manager to dismiss your promotion request, which is what you eventually want, to make it harder for your manager to dismiss your request. Additionally, research the typical responsibilities, qualifications, and compensation associated with the elevated position you are seeking. This knowledge will empower you to make a well-informed and compelling argument for why you are the ideal candidate for that role. Fourth, get your timing right. When it comes to asking for a promotion, timing is crucial. Identify the optimal moment to have the conversation, such as during your annual performance review or a one-on-one meeting with your manager. Avoid bringing up the topic of promotion during times of organizational upheaval, such as a restructuring or a crisis, as your manager may be less receptive of your request at that time. Additionally, be mindful of the broader business context. If your company is experiencing financial challenges or considering layoffs, it may not be the best time to broach the subject of your promotion. Instead, wait for a period of stability and growth when your manager is more likely to be open to discuss about your career advancement. Fifth, negotiate with confidence. One of the most common challenges people face when seeking a promotion is the tendency to undervalue their worth or their hesitation to advocate for themselves. Break this cycle of communicating your professional aspirations and salary expectations with confidence. When negotiating, avoid apologizing or downplaying your achievements. Instead, highlight the tangible ways you have contributed to the organization's success and explain why you believe you deserve the increased compensation and responsibilities associated with your new role. Remember, your employer is interested in retaining top talent. By approaching the negotiation process with a clear understanding of your value and the willingness to advocate for yourself, you can increase your chances of securing the promotion and compensation package you deserve. Sixth, embrace resilience. Asking for a promotion can be a nerve-wracking experience, and it's not uncommon to face setbacks or rejections along the way. When this happens, it's crucial to maintain a positive, resilient mindset and learn from that experience. If your initial request is denied, schedule a follow-up meeting with your manager to understand the reasons behind the decision. Seek constructive feedback and use it to develop a clear action plan for addressing any areas of improvement. Demonstrate your commitment to professional development and willingness to take on additional responsibilities to strengthen your case for that future promotion. Remember, no doesn't mean never, and a career is a marathon, not a sprint. If your proposal for a promotion has been denied today, there is always a tomorrow. Persistence and resilience are key traits that employers value. By showing your dedication to personal and professional growth, you will enhance your chances of securing a promotion and position yourself as a valuable asset to the organization. Asking for a promotion is not just about securing a new title or a higher salary. It's about taking control of your development and demonstrating your unwavering commitment to your organization's success. Leverage your strengths to confidently navigate the promotion process and increase your chances of securing the recognition and elevation you deserve. Embrace all opportunities your company provides you, no matter how formidable they appear at first. Stay focused on your goals and speak about your accomplishments at opportune moments. With the right mindset and preparation, you will get the promotion you have worked hard to achieve. You deserve it. All the best. That was all for today, friends. If you liked the content that you saw on this video, please drop in a comment and share this in your network. I will see you next week with another subject. Until then, bye-bye.